I'm Tom, Alchemy Wizard. Can we print titanium nanoparticles with the 5-watt laser? And what are the benefits of taking this substance in the body? Let's find out. The history of titanium begins with the athletes. Athletes would wear titanium jewelry, and they swore that their performance was better when they wore this jewelry. Because naturally, when they wear the metal or the jewelry, that gets absorbed into the body. When you wear a gold ring or something, you're absorbing tiny amounts of this material into your body on a regular basis. So these substances can be quite potent. And that got some people thinking about the possibilities of titanium being used in the body as a supplement and not just for wearing. Now, medical uses titanium all the time in implants and prosthetics. Believe it or not, it's in many products. It's in sunscreen, moisturizers and lotions, makeup, soap and shampoo, deodorant. Your body is quite familiar with titanium. You are absorbing it in one way, shape, or form by using any one of these products. The name of this substance that they use in these products is called aquatitan. It's actually a colloidal form of titanium dioxide that they mix in with it. There's been some limited tests on this form of colloidal nanoparticles, and it's been found that it increases the electrical conductivity of the pathways in the body, and it also reduces muscle tension, which also supports the claim that the athletes are making. I've been making titanium for years, first with low voltage DC, then with plasma arc. Now we're going to explore making it with the laser. But I've been dispersing it for a while with remedies, and I sell it in the nano store, so it's a very good product, and it does move well, and you guys might benefit from making your own titanium. Using the laser makes it so simple. The low voltage DC process is a little complicated, and the plasma arc process is kind of out of reach for most people, but the laser really offers a very simplistic, easy way of making your own colloidal nanoparticles. So let's find out if we can make titanium with the laser. If you haven't seen my introduction to using the laser to make nanoparticles, you might want to watch that after this. Now, the process starts with my Petri dish here. This Petri dish holds about 50 milliliters of solution. It's not a whole lot, but we can cook titanium, or hopefully we can cook titanium to a pretty potent amount so that it is useful to us in small quantities, as opposed to plasma arc where we cook it at 500 or 600 milliliters at a time and we have to take larger amounts. So the laser offers a way of making more full potent titanium than we can with other sources. This is a titanium coin, which we're going to use turn into colloidal nanoparticles, or at least try to turn into colloidal nanoparticles. But first, I'm going to put the titanium coin in here, and I'm going to fill it up with fluid, and then I'm going to stick it in the laser there and start the process. Of course, I know what happened because I've already cooked the stuff. I just wanted to do the demonstration to show you putting the coin in there and starting the process. Now, I have the Petri dish cover on. You can do it either way, Petri dish cover on or off. I like to do the Petri dish cover on because it doesn't evaporate the water as quickly. But it is a little slower because it's going through glass. So sometimes in the beginning, when I'm using the laser, I will keep the Petri dish off to get the maximum power in there and just start creating the nanoparticles. So what I've done is, and you'll see right there, is the end solution is over 20 parts per million, 18, 20, maybe a little bit more of colloidal titanium. So yes, we can make colloidal titanium with the laser. It's absolutely fantastic. But what I've done is, what I usually do is I will make the first batch up to about 15 parts per million, and then fill the rest of this thing with distilled water. Now I'm basically cutting the whole thing down in half. And then I will fill the Petri dish with this solution, cook it for 1 or 2 repetitions until I've got a little bit more concentration going, then pour it back in here, mix it up, and I keep doing that until I get a full vial of from 18 to 20 parts per million nano solution, in this case titanium, and this is what I have here. This titanium is pretty potent with my initial tests. It's probably twice as potent as plasma arc titanium, which is actually good for us because we can't make the titanium as quickly with the laser as we can with plasma arc. Plasma arc takes about 40 minutes. This might take a few hours to do this. Now, it depends on the power of your laser. I got a 5-watt laser here. 10-watt lasers are a little bit more expensive, but not a whole lot expensive. You'll get better results with 10-watt laser as opposed to a 5-watt laser. 20-watt lasers, we go up in a magnitude of cost. And 40-watt lasers, well, yeah, oh my God, we're really gone up with cost there. But the 5-watt laser does the job, and I will show you a picture of that titanium coin where we've actually etched into the surface my dot pattern. So it does work with the 5-watt laser, and the 5-watt laser is a good low-cost investment for you guys who want to do it. And I like the design here where it's all nicely covered to worry about the laser light bouncing all over the place. So that's it. We can create titanium with the laser. Woohoo! I'm Tom, Alchemy Wizard. I'll see you again soon. I've been making titanium for many years and extorting it? No. Now titanium, I've definitely did something with titanium. It's not in my head right now, but it's gonna come out somehow. Maybe I gotta drink some titanium. Yeah. Where's the damn titanium? Let me take some titanium. After an exhaustive search of my cabinet, you have seen the video with all the freaking things, all the nanoparticles I have here. I found my bottle of titanium, which I need to make more. Here it is, down the hatch. Maybe I can get this video done.